pour water on my cat a little bit because, you know, it's a sunny day and I want the water to cool her fur down. I know she's not a dog, but, you know, just looking out for safety. And she's a killer. She killed a couple of baby rabbits. Well, a baby rabbit a couple of days ago, yesterday, and today, I think. Well, if it's one of the rabbits. And now she has killed a mouse. Every spring and summer, she always targets on young rabbits. In winter, she still hunts, but there's not a lot of game because, you know, the game are hibernating or have migrated. She's a pure huntress, this cat.